Hi guys! So today we are going to be making ghee. Now, if you don't know, ghee, spelled Ghee, is also known as clarified butter. And basically what we're doing is we're melting the butter and removing the layer of milk fat and the solids. So all you're left with is clear butter. It's very tasty. There's various uses for it. Ghee can withstand high temperatures, so it's really good for sauteing. It's good as a butter replacement. So if you've ever used whole butter, just like a stick of this, and fried your eggs in a maybe even in a non-stick pan, you still end up getting some eggs that are sticking to the pan. With ghee, you don't get that. So I'm going to walk you through the process of making that. It takes a while, so be patient, because what we're doing is we're heating up the butter and we're allowing that milk fat to rise to the top. And you don't want to heat it up too fast and have it, you don't want it to start to boil where it's popping, right? You don't want that. So you got to be patient. You got to be patient with scraping off the top. So don't think that it's a quick process, because it is not a quick process. It's not an all-day process by any means, but you're going to spend a good 30 minutes or so, especially if you want to get the clearest butter possible. But what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how to make the ghee, and then I'm going to infuse my ghee with garlic and rosemary. So you can infuse yours if you'd like, or you can just have regular plain old ghee. All right, let's get started. And we're going to, I think I'm going to just do, let's see how many sticks we can get into this pot without overflowing the pot. Let's just get started. And we're going to have the temperature on medium high. We don't want it too hot. We want it hot, but we don't want it to get too hot too fast. So just want to reiterate that as we are removing the milk fat, we really want to pack our patience because it's going to take some time. So don't expect for the first bubbling of milk fat that you remove it and, oh, I'm done, because you're not. There's going to be more that come to the top. So just be prepared that it's going to take a little bit of time to get all the milk fat off. Just know that you're going to have a great product in the end. So let's keep removing this fat. So we have melted our butter. We have taken off a significant amount of milk fat. Like, look at that. Look at that. And this is only from 4 sticks of butter. This is a lot. There's all that milk fat that's in your butter. We took all that off, and now we're just left with this clear liquid here. And you still got some solids on there, so don't worry about that because we're gonna strain that off. So here's our ghee. It's still warm, and I got this rosemary. This rosemary is out of my garden, my patio garden. And so we're just gonna sit it in here. Sit that in there. You can put as many sprigs in as you want because it's just gonna infuse. So I'm gonna we'll do 3 sprigs, because it's not going to sit in here very long. Poke a few holes in my garlic. Yeah, poke some holes. Flop it in there. A few holes. And we're just going to do 3 cloves of garlic. While we let our ghee continue to infuse with our rosemary and garlic, I wanted to show you the containers that I'm going to put it in. So I got these cute little containers. These are so cute. From the Walmart. They're quilted crystal jars by Ball. And they're super cute. Really super cute. And it'll make sure that it's sealed really nicely and keep your ghee fresh. So if you choose to use these or something similar, some similar mason type of jar, then that'll be fine. And these are so cute because then you can put the date on there. You can write the name of the product on there. I just thought these were super cute. So this is what I'm going to use to store our rosemary and garlic infused ghee. It's just about time for us to strain our garlic and rosemary infused ghee into our jars. So because I am using a mason type jar, even though it's a little cute little thing, I'm going to make life easy for myself. So I have a piece of cheesecloth here. I'm just going to put it over top. Put over top. Take the seal lid off and then just screw this part on here, on top of here like that. Boom. It'll make it a lot easier to, I'm trying to dent it a little bit. Okay, made a little divot in there so it can pour in there. But it'll make it a lot easier to strain the ghee into these jars. Now, we are ready to pour our infused ghee into our containers. So here we go. Look at that. That is great. That is great. There's no solids in there. It looks really, really good. So we're going to So it's been overnight and our ghee has solidified. Let's take a peek. Look at that. Nice and solid. You don't see any floaties on top, milk fat floating on top, because we did a really good job of skimming the milk fat off of the top and then straining it afterward. So it looks really good. And it smells really good. It smells like garlic and rosemary because I infused it with garlic and rosemary. You can infuse yours with whatever herbs that you prefer, or you can just keep it straight, clarified butter with no infusion of anything else. really good stuff here. To store your ghee, you want to make sure that it's in an airtight container, and you can store it in a cool, dry location. And it has a very long shelf life. If you're kind of on the fence about storing it in a cool, dry location, or maybe your container is not really airtight, store it in the refrigerator and you should be good to go. Okay? All right, that's how you make ghee. I hope you give it a shot and see how you like it. So let me know what you think in the comments, because I'm curious to know if you've given it a shot, if you run into any problems while trying to skim the milk fat off, or just your thoughts in general. Have fun making some ghee, y'all. Until next time, take care.